Hello Internet, welcome to our channel. If you're new here, please make sure to subscribe not to miss our next videos. Today we will visit a castle, which is a castle and at the same time it's not. So keep watching this video, stay with us. Let's visit Drachenburg Castle together. As the castle is located near Bonn, first I had to take the train from Frankfurt Central Station to Bonn, which passes through other cities like Mainz and Koblenz. It's also worth mentioning that you have the view of Rhine River and you can find numerous UNESCO heritage sites alongside the river. So after about 1.5 hours we arrived at Drachenburg Castle, but if you don't want to walk you can also use electric cars, which is also an option there. An interesting fact about the Drachenburg Castle is that it was not originally a castle and it's not a castle now. So it was a private villa which was built in 19th century in a style of a palace.